Greetings everyone, my name is Béres Tamás and the purpose of this video is to showcase PotreeCraft, a small-scale QGIS plugin I've created for beginner Potree users to speed up or help the incorporation of vector data into the point cloud projects published with Potree. As you all know, Potree was written in JavaScript, so normally in order to customize the output made by the Potree converter process, some knowledge of HTML and JavaScript is essential. With this QGIS plugin, I hope to assist GIS operators, surveyors, and students, or anyone interested but lacking JavaScript knowledge. The PotreeCraft plugin generally serves as a linchpin, calling various subprocesses and putting together the necessary JavaScript code block for the Potree engine to show our vector data alongside the point cloud we are working with. Because of this, we have to make sure there's a working copy of LAS tools or LAS tools and Potree converter somewhere on our PC installed. If you don't, that's okay. There are links where you can download both on the project's GitHub page or the plugin itself. In this video, we are going to go over some essential steps of how to add several point or line string layers to a cloud, alongside with some annotations with dynamic text values read out from the shapefile itself. Let's begin. After installing the plugin from the zip file on the GitHub page, first we got to go to the settings panel. Here we can locate the required subprocesses for the plugin. Without those, the plugin has most of its functionality disabled. As you can see, mine is already configured. There are multiple options the blast to dem process can take. The end result of this process will be a raster layer showcasing intensity, elevation, or RGB colors of the cloud flattened out in a top-down view. Here you can see a detailed list of the vector layers added to this project. To make a point layer into an annotation layer, all you gotta do is to click on any of the related lines in the list and set the layer display mode to annotation. You can modify the camera distance values as well for more variety, then click Save. After this, we gotta go back to the conversion panel and compile our project. When blast2dem finishes running, you can see the point cloud being among the layers. Just drag it down to the bottom. Now you see your point layers over them. We go back to the plugin, select an output folder, and after this all you have to do is to compile the project. When you're done converting your project, all you have to do is start an HTTP server to serve up the Potree project you just created. Potree requires one to function properly. In this example, I am going to use Python 3's built-in http.server function, which can be started by typing python3-m http.server in the Windows command console. Following this, just open a browser and check out the result. As you can see, it slowly loads in. My computer isn't the best, so this video recording kind of takes up the processing speed, but the annotations are there. If you click on them, they will drag the camera to a randomized location. The vector lines are also seen, and the point layers are represented with mesh spheres. Thank you very much for checking out my handiwork, and I hope you will find good use of it. If you have any questions, feel free to post it on the GitHub forums or contact me. As I mentioned, this plugin is far from being in its final state, so I encourage you to read up on the known issues section of the README file. I keep that updated. I wish all of you to have a nice and productive day. Take care.